I guess I just sort of grew up with science. My father was a physicist. I was much more interested in the plants and the animals and the creatures that crawled. It's actually very satisfying to know that while I'm having fun, which, excuse me, that's what it is, fun actually exploring problems and making hypotheses and testing it, and sort of, it's puzzle solving. It's very satisfying to see that those things actually do have relation to the potential of a cure or better treatment, whatever, for actually people. Gordon had gotten a job offer for a faculty position down in Virginia, and sort of it seemed like it was the right thing to do at that time. It actually worked out very well because here we were at competing institutions. He was at Mass General, I was at Joslin. And when we moved there were no competing institutions. There were no other people really looking at the islets of Langerhans. And so we sort of looked at each other and said, do we have to work together? And we started working together, and it was really good because I was the cell biologist, he was the physician physiologist. We were able to do things in the research that no other lab was doing at the time. We have continued that, it's sort of a mom and pop operation almost. But we both had our expertise, we both had our own grants, we both had our own postdocs, but they all sort of intermeshed. Making discoveries, putting things together, and so that's sort of your eureka moments in science. And then also sharing that and sort of educating the next generation and getting them into science. We've always had, either high school, college, medical students in our lab over the summer particularly to sort of help them test the waters. It gets back to what Dr. Joslin always felt, that the patient actually needs to be educated so because they're the ones who really take care of themselves, of their diabetes. And I think that there's more and more evidence that if you take good care of yourself, you can live a fairly normal life. If you're interested, do it. There are lots of different aspects to the science, but it's a fascinating career. If you like puzzle solving, if you like trying to understand what's around you and how things work, it's absolutely fascinating. It's very rewarding. It's hard, but anything you do is probably hard. And the fact that you can actually make new knowledge is incredible.